Okay, forecasting video part 2. This is the QQX UK Hotel Forecast 2021. This is not the correct spreadsheet because I don't have a recent file on my computer, but it's exactly the same format. I'm just going to show you what happens with it. So there's many tabs down the bottom here. The only one you need is forecast, which is the day by day. We are only interested in the week that we're going into now, which is, actually this is the right one. Yeah, Monday the 31st of January 2022 up till Sunday the 6th. So don't be alarmed by how much stuff's on the sheet. There's actually quite a lot of information on this side that you don't need. If, for example, we go from Monday 31st and we go across, all this stuff here is all hotel. It's all about rooms, all the way through here. Don't need any of this. BOB is business on books. When it gets to this orange stuff, this is us. So I'm going to highlight here, from here down to Sunday across here. And I'm just going to put this in yellow so we know this is what we're working on. So from the left then, sleeper ratio is 1.9 guests per room. Number of guests is 86, and the breakfast conversion ratio is 43.8%. So that means you'll have guests coming in times 38 covers at £14.50, which then goes down here into breakfast forecast for revenue. So that's £551 for breakfast. So what you want to do is delete what Nikki's put in there, because that is calculated according to their sleeper ratio. Delete that, and that will delete the breakfast revenue here. And this is, as you can see, this column is lunch covers and dinner covers. You just highlight both of those and delete, because we're going to take those figures from Res Diary. The food revenue per lunch cover is 40 quid, and the food revenue per dinner cover is 40 quid. You can change that if you want down here. Shall we change that? Yeah, I think we should change that. Let's delete that as well. And then all this is 0 for food, basically. The same goes for drinks as well. Drinks is over here on the beverage, but we're going to come on with the food. So private dining and banqueting is that events? No, that is your bar food. So it's worded a bit weirdly, but private dining and banqueting basically means bar food. Conference food is events. So if you have a one-off event, I don't know, that isn't part of your cover account, then that can be included in there. And room service is supposed to do £9 per day of food for room service, and then it'll give you a total food amount over here, and it'll give you a total cover count. So we go back to the rota video that we did on part 1, and in there we have all our breakdown of what we're going to achieve for the week. So we start off by putting the breakfast covers in for the week. So if you have the rota open, you just need to tab back to it, but I've got it in front of me. So I've got 20 for one day, 30, and then 35, 30, 60 for breakfast, 85, and 80. So once you put that in, you can see the money total amount start filling up here on the breakfast forecast, and that comes in there. And then we can put in your lunch covers. So we're doing 0, 0, 0 until we get to Friday. When we have lunch, we do 20, 30 Saturday, 30 Sunday. You won't see any revenue coming yet until we do the spend per head. So I'm just going to grab the other sheet. So yeah, lunch is £40 average spend per head on food. So I'll just drag that down, and then the revenue starts coming in. And dinner is, what do we work dinner out as? 43. So that is basically what people are spending on food. And then, oh, that's in the wrong place, sorry. It goes over by 1. So there's your spend per head in these two columns here, and you can see it's at the top there as well, but that normally does the whole sheet. So I forgot to put in dinner covers. So Monday nothing, Tuesday nothing, Wednesday we're going to start with 35, and then we got 30, and then we got 60, 70, and 45 Sunday dinner. So now we've got basically this breakfast forecast. If you double click on it, it's blue one, which is 20 breakfast covers times by the red one, which is £14.50, and that's how you get the figure there. So you got your covers in here, your spend per head in here, and then all these just calculate for you. This is your expected bar lounge food, and it's obviously a bit higher on Monday and Tuesday because the restaurant's not open, so you expect people to be having small plates in the lounge, and then it drops off and picks up again. If you do have an event in, for example, if there's a feast and they're spending $1,500 on food and it's not included in your cover count, then just put that in there, and that will add more money. We have no events, so that is automatically calculated as your total food for the week, and then your total covers just what's that, dinner plus lunch, 100 for Saturday. And then the beverage revenue, I'll do the same for that. So beverage revenue per lunch cover, this is spend per head, is $10.25 for lunch, $30.25 for dinner, but obviously there's no one in Monday, Tuesday. So then this is automatically calculated again off the covers. So lunch and dinner total revenue coming in just according to the covers that we have over here. And that gives you all your totals. Other beverage is your bar lounge figure. So this we had on the rota as 250, 250, 400. So let's take that down, 250 because it's January, 400, and then 750, 1,000. 1,000 again, and then Sunday 550, 550, and then private dining banqueting. This is, what is this? Private dining banqueting. That's not bar lounge. That's not conference. That's not events. I think that needs to come out. I don't know what that's in for because that can't be room service. Not sure what that is. Let's leave it in there anyway. And then room service £9.50 a day, which is fairly easy to achieve. And then total beverage gets added up here. Let's highlight all this yellow as well. And then if you look at this figure here, not that one, sorry, food and beverage. So that's your food and beverage total. If you highlight all of those and you look down here at the bottom, you have a sum of 32,239, which is a little bit more than we had on the rota. But that is basically it. If you then just go to File, Share, and then we're going to attach this to Outlook as an Excel document. I'm just going to send it over to Nikki and CC Gavin, and that is it. Thank you very much. Bye.